Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to move your photos from Google Drive to Google Photos. Let's get into it. First, open the Photos website. The first step is to go to the place where you want the pictures to end up. You need to be in your main gallery to start the move. Open your web browser and go to the Google Photos website. Make sure you are logged into your main account. Look for the button at the top that says Upload. Next, choose the Drive option. You need to tell the website where the pictures are currently hiding. Since they are in your drive, you will pick that as the source. When you click Upload, a small list will appear. Select Google Drive from the choices. Wait for the new window to show all your files and folders. It creates a bridge between your two storage areas. This ensures the website knows exactly where to look for your images. Next, select your pictures. Now you can look through your folders and pick the specific memories you want to move. Click on the My Drive tab and find the folder where you keep your images. Click on the pictures you want. You might not want to move every single file, so picking the right ones keeps your collection neat. It ensures only your favorite photos are moved. Lastly, finish the upload. The final step is to confirm that you want to copy the pictures over to their new place. After you have picked your images, click the button at the bottom that says Upload or Select. Watch the bottom of your screen to see the progress bar for the move. Once the bar is full, your pictures will show up in your main timeline. Now, your photo collection is fixed and you can find everything easily. And that's it. To move your pictures, open your Photos gallery, click Upload, choose your drive, and select the images you want to move. This straightforward step makes sure your memories are safe and easy to see. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.